The Sony A7S III is finally here. Everybody's super excited about it. I will admit that a couple of years ago, I said that I probably wouldn't purchase it when it came out. I've had it now for a couple of weeks. I've been doing some shooting, super excited about all the features that I knew I was going to be super excited about. But there are also some other things that I've found that are really cool little features that not so many people are talking about. So the goal of this video is to talk about 12 features you might not have known about the A7S III in 120 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. 2 minutes. Let's go. Feature number 1 is something called Shockless Auto White Balance. You can actually set the speed at which it changes white balance. If you're someone who uses auto white balance, it's going to be a smoother transition from different white balance situations. Feature number 2 is that we now have S&Q in full 4K quality. So excited about this, especially for time lapses. Number 3 is the fact that we've got an updated menu, but specifically that we've got separate menus for the video mode and photo mode, depending on what mode your camera is in. When you go into the menus, you'll go into a different mode meant for what you're shooting. And on a related note, number 4 is that we've got separate function menus for what mode you're in, because we need different features for different modes. Number 5 is that we now have a function to have separate settings in video and photo mode so that when you switch from one to the other, it goes back to your previous setting. Number 6 is that you can actually customize your video record button to be an extra custom button. First, you're gonna wanna enable video recording with your shutter button, and then you can use that video record button as whatever you want. Number 7 is the new touch functions, and specifically, I like that you can switch your touch functions with the touch. Number 8, we now have a more detailed autofocus speed adjustment, so both the responsiveness and the speed of focus pulls, you can adjust those more finely. Number 9, they've added the ability to change your video file names. I know this is a tiny thing, but I really appreciate that you can now do this. Number 10, you probably knew this one. It has a flip screen all the way out to the side. It's great for filming yourself, but also if you're taking vertical video or photos, it's also great for that. Number 11 is a really cool one. It's called My Dial. By hitting a custom button, you can cycle through different functions of the dial. So hit the button, it's your shutter speed. Hit the button again, it's your white balance. Hit the button again, it's your audio volume. And finally, number 12, the A7S III includes gyro data in its video files so that you can do digital post-stabilization after the fact. So there you have it. There's 12 features that you might not have known about on the Sony A7S III. Let me know down in the comments if you knew all of them, or if some of them were new, if any of them are particularly helpful for you. And on your way down there, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on future reviews and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.